Getting pregnant can be tricky, especially when intercourse isn't working or just isn't an option. That's why we created Mosie, the first syringe designed specifically to help you get pregnant. Mosie looks deceptively simple, but a lot of engineering went into its patent-pending design. Through several iterations, research, and input from a fertility specialist and a medical device engineer, we arrived at a length and diameter that are both comfortable to use and optimal for conception. For starters, everything is rounded. We've completely eliminated any abrasive edges found on most syringes, making Mosie much more comfortable to use. Typical syringes feature a barrel at the tip. The problem with this barrel is that it traps a significant amount of sperm, preventing it from ever being used. Mosie's tiny rounded nub ensures maximum release and minimizes waste. Mosie's longer, angular opening mimics Mother Nature, providing a wider spread and ensuring a safer trip for your precious cargo. Mosie is made from premium medical-grade materials. It's about the size of a tampon, and it's in your body for less than 30 seconds. And it can be used with or without a partner present. It's comfortable, safe, and designed with your body in mind. Order yours today at mosiebaby.com.